Okay guys, welcome to Writer's Workshop. Today we're going to learn how to write simple sentences using a noun and a verb. So this is lesson 1 for Writer's Workshop. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to, remember we always want to plan what we're going to write about, okay? So for today, since we're going to use a noun and a verb, we're going to make a list of nouns and verbs. So I'm going to draw a line. Nouns, verbs. Okay, remember a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. A person, a place, or a thing. So, for example, a dog. Dog is a noun. Cat is a noun. Mom is a noun. Dad is a noun. Person, place, or thing. Place, your house is a noun. You could say house. School is a noun. Okay. Car is a noun. Brother, sister, fish, those are all nouns, okay? A person, a place, or a thing. All right? Now I'm going to make a list of verbs. Remember, we've been learning this week that verbs are action words. They're things that we can actually do, words that we can do, okay? We can't do dog. Dog isn't an action. I can't tell somebody to go dog. That doesn't make any sense. So verbs are things that we can actually do. They're action words, such as jump. Jump is an action word. You can actually jump, right? Jump. Run is an action word. Play. Sleep. Yell. These are all actions. These are all things that you can do. Walk. Talk. Okay? Anything that you can actually do is a verb. Now, I am going to choose one noun and one verb to use for my simple sentence. So, and it can be whatever. You don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just showing you the process, okay? So, I love dogs. They're my favorite animal. So I'm going to use a dog as my noun, okay? And I'm going to think about all the things a dog can do. They can do all of these except for yelling and talking, right? So I am going to choose the word play, the verb play. So now I know in my simple sentence that I'm going to write, I'm going to use dog as my noun and play as my verb. So I'm going to show you how to put these into a sentence in the next video. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to complete this activity. You're going to make a list of nouns and a list of verbs. Choose one noun and one verb for your simple sentence. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.